Hello, my name is Delvene Cockatoo-Collins. I'm a Quandamooka artist and we are here in Dunwich on Quandamooka Country in the Brisbane region. We're here to learn about Quandamooka culture through my arts practice. It's a place where people can come in and feel welcome and purchase authentic Aboriginal art and homewares. The best part of the feedback from the walking tour is that they've been able to understand our contemporary Aboriginal culture, traditional Aboriginal culture, having a welcome, and then walking away with a skill as well as knowing this place has a sense of peace. It's really a place to exchange and to learn from one another.